This a little something right here, you know what I mean? Poetry writing mood, or maybe songwriting mood. We don't know. The mode is on. We don't talk, right? What would it take to bring you back to me with hearts still beating fast? And it's you who I need. It's hard for a day to pass on by without you on my mind. Tell me, what would it take to bring you back to me when you know you're who I want, desire, and need? Tell me what's in your heart. Tell me, do you still be for me, baby? Does it still be for me? What would it take, baby, to bring you back my way? When days pass on by and I look for you each and every way, could you hold me? Would you hold me tenderly again? Would you be my friend? And I'm going from the top of the dome, because this house ain't a home when I'm alone and you're gone. Tell me, what would it take? What would it take to bring you back to me? Jules, off the top of the dome a little bit. You know, I just thought I'd go ahead and write you a little something, but I don't want to get that whole song, so I just had to go off the top of the dome. You know, messing around. It don't even matter, though. Whatever you do to the best of your ability. Whatever you do to your benefit. But you know, whatever you do, always enjoy yourself. Nothing else. I'm Jules. I'm out.